Okay, I got my new Targus bag in. I've had this one right here, maybe 10, 15 years. The problem with this one is that this goes up, but I can't get it to come back down sometimes. Oh, it came down that time, but usually it gets stuck. So I went on and purchased me a new one. So I'm gonna unbox this and show you what it looks like. Oh, nice looking bag. And if you want one of these, just look in the description below, or look in drop down here on the top. I'm gonna put it on the end screen also. And you can visit my Amazon store, and this will be one of the items that I purchased. I got a list of all the things I've purchased and reviewed and things I like. If I don't like them, I don't put them in my storefront. I was concerned. I was worried about where is the handle, but zips right here. Okay, see if it's smooth. See if I'm having a problem like I had with my other one. Oh, that's great. So I was having problems. It was getting stuck. This one come right down. You could zip that back in. Nice. And I like it because it got plenty of space for what I do and stuff I put in mine. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer my other stuff from my old bag to this bag. You see I got my air tag. You got to have one of these if you're traveling. We've had places we went to where our luggage got lost. I purchased this off Amazon. I haven't even used it yet. It's some kind of little tripod. My wife wanted it so she could do some kind of recording when she's doing at her slot machines. And this bag got plenty of room. You see I got the stuff right here. I don't have no organization to it. My wife, she'll come and organize it for me. You see I got everything in here. Also my computer fits fine in there. You got a lot of space. You see how I threw all that other stuff in there, and you got plenty of space for all your stuff. Plus, if you want to throw a pair of pants, some shorts, or deodorant and other stuff in here, you know, just in case your luggage get lost, all that stuff will fit in here, and it rolls great. So we'll look at the, like this side, we'll look at the rollers, the wheels. The wheels are really heavy duty. It rolls really easy. That's why I got another one of these bags, because my old one, I'm gonna still keep it, but the problem was with it was this handle. It wouldn't come down. You see how easily that's coming up and down? And I like it. Then if you don't want to show the handle, you just zip it. You're done. This is my review of the Targus bag. You see right there under this display. And if you want one of these, like I said, you can look in the description below, or you can look in the drop down, or I put it there on the end screen. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to purchase any of these things that you've seen in my video, go down there in the description or look in the drop down. I think this is the right side. The camera is reversed, or I'm gonna leave it here on the end screen. You can visit my Amazon affiliate store, and I get a small commission if you go through my link. It doesn't cost you a penny. It doesn't cost me a penny. And even when I go and buy things off Amazon, I go to YouTube and try to find another YouTuber or somebody that has affiliate links so I can go through so they can get the commission. So it's that simple. It's not costing you anything. So if you can go to my store, like I said, I'm gonna leave a drop down, or it's in the description, or the show here on the screen. And again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.